A surprise. A freeze warning for all the counties you see in purple here, and the other shade of blue here, that is a frost advisory. This may or may not be a total, I don't think it's going to be a total killing freeze. This will be a hard freeze, so temperatures around 30 degrees or so. Certainly some vegetation may be severely damaged or killed, but I don't know that it's going to be a widespread event. Now remember last week, I think it was Tuesday, we had all that rain. Well, that didn't show up on the Thursday drought monitor from last week because of the way they collect data, but it did show up on this one. And even with that rain that we got last Tuesday, that inch and a half in a lot of places, the drought actually has worsened, and now we have a couple of spots here with an extreme drought, and now a severe drought just south of Dickinson. So that rain that we had just really didn't keep up. Well, of course, it's the North Coast Fest, and we have the freeze warning tonight. It's going to be sunny and chilly and breezy tomorrow, so it's going to feel colder than it really is. And yes, there's a couple of different chances of snow over the next several days. Probably not tomorrow, but Saturday, Sunday, maybe Monday. Right now, the temperatures are mainly in the 40s. Now, we did make the low 50s around Bismarck and points to the south and to the east. You can tell that by the shading here. But overall, most of the temperatures in the 40s. And the wind has been around 15 miles an hour most of the day. Now, from the last time I looked, it seems like this has come down maybe a mile or two or so, but that's about it. And since we have so many people visiting right now I just thought I'd do a little weather sheet for you for some weather back home. And, of course, those temperatures would be in Celsius for you. And again, like 2 days ago, rain in Stockholm. All right, here's the look at the radar and the satellite right now, and we're way too warm for any snow. And it doesn't have to just be cold on the ground. It's got to be cold enough up in the clouds, too. And we're just not really set up for that right now. The colder air really isn't here. And here's our precision cast, and by tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, a generally clear sky. And if the wind drops off and the sky clears out where you're at, you have a much better chance of the temperature plummeting than places that might be a little more cloudy. But that cloud cover may not even be enough with the colder air coming in. That cloud cover may not be enough to hold the temperatures up. By 12 noon, certainly no threat of freezing temperatures in. It'll still be a northwest breeze, 10, 15 miles an hour, maybe some stronger wind gusts. And then tomorrow night at 7, still looks pretty good, right? So we'll have a nice sunny day, cool and breezy, but it'll be sunny. Watch what happens on Saturday. Now, this is just one forecast model, and this is probably one of the colder ones, and I'll explain what I mean here. Here we are, see maybe a chance, but look at this. This is Saturday morning. Other computer models show this as a chance of rain. So we're only talking about a couple of degrees here. I just didn't want you to wake up and be surprised. I don't know that it's going to be snow, but the possibility is there, and it is going to be gone by Saturday afternoon, and then the sky is going to start to clear out from the north as well. And I wanted to show you an early look at next week. Again, that's just one computer model, but in the north, there's a potential for next week. So wind chills tomorrow, or here we are tonight at 7 o'clock. You can see how chilly it is. And tomorrow morning, while the kids are getting ready for school, maybe waiting for the school bus, it's going to feel like it's in the 20s most of the cases. Some spots maybe the upper teens. That's cold. Even tomorrow during the midday hour when you're heading to lunch, the wind chills will be in the 30s, and tomorrow afternoon, 30s and 40s, so kind of a raw day. Here, now these are the actual temperatures that we have for tomorrow. It's just going to be a cold, raw day. And as we take a look at the next 7 days, yeah, we have that chance of rain or snow and some chances next week as well. And Lauren and Chad, we've got a couple of cold nights ahead of us.
Better buckle up.
Where's the fall weather? It's like we skipped right to winter.
Skipped it. That
Terrible.
happens.
Thanks, Tom. So the gum